So there it is. The glass is back. I have this shim right here. And I have another shim. I should probably put one on this side too. But right now it looks like the thing is level. Everything seems good. Maybe this one right there. Everything looks level. Let me check this again just to perfect. Says level. You can see it right here in the middle. It's a level. I like it. So everything looks good. I put these tips just, I don't think they're doing anything. But they will never be able to hold this glass anyway. But I got this screwed up on the floor. Then I got this brace piece of wood on the wall over the other side to at least hold it until the glue dries. So got maybe 1/4 inch space with the shims on here. Just wait to make sure the backsplash stays right there. So I put this here like to hold this piece to hold the backsplash on the wall. I keep seeing this coming off. So I don't know what I need to do. Because the wall is never straight, guys. The walls are never straight. Looks good. Looks very good. That's it, guys, for today.